Yep. In our previous lesson, we already learned about sound wave. Yes. So we have actually finished sound wave, and you know that in order for us to produce a sound, what should we do? How can we produce a sound? So we should have a source that vibrates. Very good. And normally at our home, what are the sources of sound that you all know? Television, mobile phones, radio, yes, speakers. Very good. So we know that speakers is a device, an apparatus that we use every day to produce sound, and we can find speakers actually in a TV, in telephone, in radio as well. So for today, we are going to learn how to make a speaker using things that you can find at home. It's this. Sellotape. This is a wire, a copper wire, but it's a very, very thin copper wire. A magnet. That's it. This is sellotape. This is what we're going to do.
Jadi ke?
Huh?
Jadi ni.
Yep, as long as you ikut that pattern, then it will work.
Benda ni.
Don't cut the wire.
Ni potong kan? Itu yang
Okay, so now this is the speaker that you can find at home, like everywhere. Okay, and do you know how does it work? No. Okay, so for a speaker, the front part of the speaker is actually a diaphragm. It's actually a piece of paper or plastic, and behind the diaphragm is actually a coil. Yeah, underneath the diaphragm is actually a coil, and then this whole thing is connected to a magnet. So it's a magnet actually. And we pass current through the coil will become an electromagnet. Right. So what we have here is actually an electromagnet. If we pass current through this coil, it will become an electromagnet. Okay, so now let's pass current through this magnet and through this electromagnet. I don't know. So, do you have any sound? Why there's no sound? Because you need to put it on top of the magnet. We'll change another one. And you all need to be very, very quiet. Zai, come here, please, Zai. Right. Quiet, please. Oh, maybe because. Oh. So yeah, this is. So what it does is this diaphragm, this plastic is actually vibrating on top of the magnet. So we have a source of vibration to create sound. So what you can do is you can put it near your ears. It becomes a headphone.
wow.
So yeah, that's it.